Hi, this is a recap of the 2020 monsoon session which concluded on Wednesday. Parliament suspended question hour in this session because of the limited available time for the two houses to meet every day. However, answers to unstart questions were laid on the table. Parliament spent 59% of its time discussing and passing legislation. In 10 sitting days, 25 bills were passed. This is the breakdown. There were 11 bills replacing ordinances that were introduced and passed. These included the 3 agricultural reforms. 8 bills from the previous sessions were passed by Parliament. These included the Companies Amendment Bill, which decriminalizes certain offences under the 2013 Companies Act, and the Aircraft Amendment Bill, which gives statutory recognition to 3 aviation regulators. The Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Bill 2020 prohibits the transfer of foreign contribution by a recipient to anyone else and requires Aadhaar number for registration under the Act. The Bilateral Netting of Qualified Financial Contracts Bill 2020 provides a legal framework for bilateral netting of qualified financial contracts, which are over-the-counter derivative contracts. The Jammu and Kashmir Official Languages Bill 2020 declares certain languages as official for the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. 3 labour codes related to social security, occupational health and safety, and industrial relations were introduced, discussed, and passed. These came after the 2019 bills were withdrawn. Together, the discussion on the 3 new labour codes lasted for only about 4 hours and 45 minutes. It is worth noting that none of the 17 new bills passed in this session was referred to a standing committee for further examination. Lok Sabha also took up financial business for 8% of its time. When the government needs to incur additional expenditure during the year, a supplementary demand for grants is introduced. This year's supplementary demand for grants proposed an additional gross expenditure of 2.36 lakh crore rupees.
This is probably the first time that this kind of amount has been ever pitched in a supplementary demand, because the gross additional expenditure of 2,35,852 crores with a net cash outgo of 1,66,983 probably is one of the highest that budgets have seen in this country.
Debates accounted for 28% in the Lok Sabha and 27% in Rajya Sabha. The session witnessed a discussion on COVID-19. Members spoke about the imposition of the lockdown without adequate warning and the plight of migrant workers during the lockdown. There was a suggestion to create a national database of migrant workers. Some members also urged the government to have a vaccine procurement and deployment strategy in place and ensure last mile delivery when vaccines become available.
वैक्सीन के लिए जैसे दुनिया भर में प्रयास हो रहे हैं, वैसे ही उतने ही प्रभावी प्रयास भारत में हो रहे हैं। और भारत में हमारे जो कैंडिडेट वैक्सीन हैं, उसमें 3 लगभग ऐसे हैं जो फेज़ 1, फेज़ 2 और फेज़ 3 के अंदर पहुंच गए हैं। प्रधानमंत्री जी के मार्गदर्शन में एक एक्सपर्ट ग्रुप इस सारे विषय को भी बहुत गहराई से अध्ययन कर रहा है। एडवांस्ड इसके संदर्भ में प्लानिंग है। हमारे को उम्मीद है कि अगले साल के शुरुआत के अंदर हमें भारत के अंदर वैक्सीन उपलब्ध हो जानी चाहिए।
The Defence Minister also made a statement in the two houses on the border situation with China. He said that the government is committed to resolving the situation peacefully.
अध्यक्ष महोदय, हमने चाइना को डिप्लोमेटिक तथा मिलिट्री चैनल्स के माध्यम से यह अवगत करा दिया कि इस प्रकार की गतिविधियां स्टेटस को यूनिलैटरली बदलने का प्रयास है, और यह भी साफ कर दिया गया कि ये प्रयास हमें किसी भी सूरत में मंजूर नहीं है।
At the start of the session, Rajya Sabha elected its deputy chairman. The seat had fallen vacant when Mr. Harivansh's term came to an end in March 2020. He was then re-elected to the House and subsequently re-elected as the deputy chairman. It must be noted that the position of Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha has remained vacant for 464 days from the time the 17th Lok Sabha began. Article 93 of the Constitution states that Lok Sabha will choose 2 members of the House as Speaker and Deputy Speaker at the earliest possible. 8 members of the Rajya Sabha were suspended for 1 week on account of unruly behavior at the time of passing of the agricultural bills. The next day, the leader of opposition asked the House to revoke the suspension. After an impasse between the government and the opposition, the LOP and several members walked out. With several opposition parties boycotting the proceedings in the last 2 days, 15 bills including 2 appropriation bills were passed in Rajya Sabha. The next day, the leader of opposition asked the House to revoke the suspension. After an impasse between the government and the opposition, the LOP and several members walked out.